Hi everyone. As I promised earlier in my last video that I'll come up with some simple guidelines to make your children read the four-letter word. So here I am with my first rule to apply. In this rule, it is a vowel pair. So it's like when two vowels are walking together, the first one does the talking. You all know that no word will complete without the vowels, and you are even aware of the 5 vowels here. So whenever in a word, in a four-letter word or more than that, a vowel pair comes, like you have E as a vowel, A as a vowel. When two vowels are walking together, the first one does the talking. It means it's going to say its name and it will be long. And the second one will be silent. Like when you have EA, the sound will be E. It says its name. The first alphabet here, vowel here is E. So it's going to say its name, E. So the rule apply here is when you have a vowel pairs, you will have long sound plus the silent. That means the next vowel will be silent here. Like the others you have that comes in pair is EA. It becomes as E, AY, A, OA, O, AI, AA, EE, E. Okay. So let's do a simple activity to make your child read the four-letter word quickly. Yes, Now, Filza, we are learning about the four-letter words, okay? So there's a simple rule for you. When two vowels come together, when two vowels are walking together, the first one will make the talking. That means the sound, you will hear the name of the first alphabet here, name of the first vowel. So you have A and I as vowel. So A and I makes the sound as A, because here you have the first alphabet as, what is the name of this alphabet, Filza? Say loudly. Loudly. A, loudly. A. And AY makes the sound as? A. EA makes the sound as? E. EE makes the sound as?
E.
IE makes the sound as?
I.
I. Very good. OA makes the sound as?
O.
Very good. UE makes the sound
U.
as? U, because here U is the first alphabet, so it makes the sound U. First vowel here. Okay, now. So here you're going to read the words on this. And then you're going to keep in an appropriate vowel pair. Fine?
Yeah.
Now, what is the sound of B?
B.
What is the sound of OA?
O.
O, B-O-A?
Bo.
And the sound of T?
T.
So B-O-A-T?
Bot.
Both. Yes. Where you will keep? In OA. Where is the OA place? Yes, that's great. Now, next one. What is the sound of M? What is the sound of EA?
E.
Very good. M-E-A.
Me.
And the sound of L?
L.
So M-E-A-L?
Me.
Very good. So where you will keep? In EA. Good. Next one. Now this one here. What is the sound of B?
B.
What is the sound of L?
L.
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 L. So now you have this one. This is the beginning blending word. Okay. B-L. The sound of B? B. The sound of L? L. Bl. And the sound of U-E?
U.
So B-L-U-E.
Blue.
Very good. So where you will keep now for blue? UE. In UE place. Yes, U will vowel play. Very good. Now next one. You have, what is the sound of S? What is the sound of OA?
O.
Very good. S-O-A.
So.
And the sound of P?
P.
So S-O-A-P.
Soap.
Very good. Soap. Yes, good. Now next one. What is the sound of B?
B.
What is the sound of E-A?
E.
B-E-A.
B.
And the sound of K?
K.
So B-E-A-K.
P.
Very good. So where you will keep? Here in the middle, which vowel pair is there? EA. Yes. Good. Now, what is the sound of H?
H.
What is the sound of EE?
E.
Very good. HEE.
He.
And the sound of L?
L.
L. So HEEL.
Heel.
Very good. So where you will keep this heel? In EE place. Yes. Now, what is the sound of L?
L.
L. The sound of EA?
E.
ELEA.
Leap.
And the sound of P?
Pa.
LEAP.
Leap.
Leap. Where you will keep now? EA. In the middle you have E word. Yes, that's great. Now maybe this one will appear to be difficult for you, Filza. But
C.
what is the sound of C?
K.
What is the sound of L?
L.
L. So in the beginning you have a blending sound. CL. Cl. When you mix this, CL will become cl. And what is the sound of UE?
U.
So CLUE. Clue. CLUE.
Clue.
Very good. Where you will keep UE now? That's good, Filza. Now, what is the sound of P?
Pa.
What is the sound of AI?
A.
PAI.
Pe.
And the sound of D?
D.
So PAID.
Pet.
Very good. So where you will keep this spade? Good. Now, Filza. Now here also beginning blending letters. Now look here. What is the sound of P?
Pa.
What is the sound of R?
R.
PR.
Per.
Pr. The sound of AY.
A.
So PRAY.
Pray.
Pray. Very good. Pray. Where you will keep this pray? AY. In AY. Yes, that's good. Okay. What is the sound of P?
Pa.
What is the sound of L?
L.
PL makes the sound as
Pa.
pl.
Pl.
Pl. And the sound of AY?
A.
So PLAY.
Play.
Very good. Where you will keep? Good. Now next one. Get anything. Okay. What is the sound of G? What is the sound of G? G. And the sound of L?
L.
Gl.
Gl.
And the sound of UE? What is the sound of UE? Come on, tell me. What is the first alphabet here?
U.
U. UE makes the sound as?
U.
So GLUE? Glue. Very good. Where you will keep? In UE.
U.
Vowel pair. Where is UE vowel pair? Yes. Now next one. What is the sound of S? What is the sound of EE?
E.
SEEM?
C.
Yes. Where you will keep? That's good. Next one, Filza. Okay. What is the sound of B?
B.
What is the sound of AI?
A.
BAI?
B.
And the sound of L?
L.
BAIL?
Bill.
Bail. It's make A long sound. Where you will keep AI for AI?
I.
Yeah. Make it fast. Yeah. Next one. What is the sound of D?
D.
What is the sound of IE?
E.
What is
I.
DIE? Die. And the sound of D?
D.
So DIED?
Died.
Very good.
Keep it.
Okay. Good. Now,
Pink.
pink. Where is the pink?
Here.
Okay. What is the sound of J?
J.
What is the sound of EE?
E.
JEE?
G.
And the sound of P?
P.
So JEEP?
Teach.
Jeep. Okay, that's good.
Here.
I want
I want
anything.
orange.
1 minute, Filza. I'll bring this one now for you. Come on, tell me. What is the sound of T?
T.
What is the sound of IE?
I.
So TIE?
T.
Tie. And the sound of D?
D.
So TIED?
Die.
Died. Very good, Filza. You did well. Thank you. Now here we have LOAN. The sound of OA? O. Lone. Next you have deep.
D.
Yes. You have next one? eat. E makes the sound E, eat. B. The sound of S, the sound of T, st, and the sound of AY, A, stay. Now you have H, E, A, T. The sound of E, A makes E, heat. Now next you have peel. Aim. The sound of AI makes A, aim. The sound of F, the sound of OA, O, foam. The sound of R, the sound of OA, O, and the sound of D, road. Wait. The sound of W, the sound of AI, A, and the sound of T, wait. Day. Ray. Coat. Gain. Tray. Tail.
Yay.
Very good. Yeah. So actually I made a lot of these words, and if I let Filza read it, she will definitely take a lot of time. That's why I did it for you people. And you have seen how simple it became for Filza to spell out these 4-letter words once you know this rule. And even this activity is very simple. You can do it for your child and get them engaged in reading of the words. So apart from these words, you will find a lot of other words also. Get them and do it with your child, and your child will definitely enjoy sorting the words. Thank you. You have to circle and sort. Okay, you have to read the sentences, and you have to find out the words that end with AIN. What is the sound of AI?
A.
Yes, AIN will be AI, A, and the sound of N. So AIN, AIN. So the words that ends with AIN, you have to write it here. From these sentences, find out where are AIN words. Right here. And what is AIL? Ale. Yes. So the words that ends with AIL, you have to write it here. Fine. Come on, read it now. Read that, Filza. THE, the, TRAIN.
Train.
Very good. Train.
Is
In.
on
A. What is RAIL?
rain.
RAIL, ray, and it ends with L sound. So it will be rail. Very good. Now next, what is this?
It is a
PLAIN.
train.
PLAIN. What is the sound of P? What is the sound of L? L. The sound of AI? A. PLAI.
Play.
And the sound of N? So PLAIN.
Plane.
Very good. Plane. What is NAIL?
Nine.
Nail. It is a plain nail.
Nail.
Come on, next one.
D.
The SAIL.
Seal.
What is the sound of S? What is the sound of AI?
A.
SAI.
Say.
And the sound of L. So SAIL.
Seal.
Sail. The sail. HS.
Has. A.
STAIN.
Stain.
Very good. Stain. Next one. What is THIS?
This.
This IS.
Is.
D.
D.
MAIN.
Mean.
Main. Very good. Main. TRAIL. What is the sound of T?
Train.
Trail. It ends with L sound. Trail.
Train.
Come on, repeat now. The
The
train
train
is
is
on
a
rail.
train.
It
It
is a
is a
plain
plane.
nail. The
Tree
sail has a
has a
stain.
tail.
This
This
is the main
main
trail.
trail.
Now you have to search for AIN words. In the first sentence, look for AIN words, the words that ends with AIN. Tell me. In the first sentence, which word ends with AIN? First sentence, Filza. This is your first sentence. And circle. 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 Circle the whole word. Train, like this. Okay? Now next, in the next sentence, look for AIN word. Take the same color, Filza. We need to differentiate between AIN words and AIL words. Come on. So this is the worksheet that I gave for improving her reading and the writing part. Hope you have learned something out of it. If so, please do like and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. I'll surely come up with more such learning videos. So keep watching and take care. Goodbye.